sight of this campsite. We hope not to be back. I'd give this one a 2-star. Okay, today is Monday. I just got done hauling my pack, which I should weigh it. I believe it's about 40 pounds, maybe 50, and a 70-pound canoe. Up this, which I know cameras never make it look the same, but if you're coming to the Boundary Waters, make sure you're in good shape if you're doing a 236 rod portage that goes up and down and up and down. But it sure is beautiful. I'm glad we came. I'm 6 feet tall. If I'm 6 feet tall, that is 15 feet. There's Alex. How big do you think that is, Alex?
10 feet.
10 feet? Oh, from this side, yeah, it's 10 feet. That is a big blowover. Amazing ball of root. Ooh, check out the view. We gotta go over that hill too. That one right there. That birch tree will be coming down. Check out those clouds. This is Pine Lake. Just looked on Navionics. It is 7.6 miles long. We can't see the end of it because of that bump right there. Ready for a swim, Nathaniel?
No.
What about you, Alex?
Nope.
What? And we sent the Scoutmasters, but they're gone. Derek and Josiah are going to claim a site for us across the portage. We're going to go up and over that lake, over that bump. I just find it really cool how the roots grow across the hillside and lock in the soil. Keep it from washing out. But eventually, it will lose the battle and end up like that birch tree. Especially since it's dead already.
She'd understand if I died.
She'd understand if you died, huh?
How'd he die? In a tree. Oh, that makes sense.
You know what's funny about this? My sister was climbing a tree and she got stuck. And then instead of going to help her, I went and took a picture of it, of her. And then I helped her down, sort of.
Great view. Alright, down there in that red hat, there's Nathaniel sitting, twiddling his thumbs. Oh, yeah, there he is. Jeff. I don't know where Jeff is. Look at all that.
Ooh, is this it?
I love it.
No.
You can hear the water run, right?
Yep.
It's a deeper pitch now.
Ooh, somebody's been listening. worth it.
Huh? Oh yeah.
This is worth the hike. Wow. Okay, I don't know if it's just because we're so exhausted after that 230 rod portage, which is about 3/4 of a mile, carrying about 1,000 pounds worth of stuff between the 6 of us. And I've seen some awesome waterfalls here in Minnesota, but this is spectacular. Take it in.
Underneath?
Is this waterproof? Can I stick it under the water? Oh, there's a log right here. That's weird. Yeah, stick it under.
All right, got pretty quiet. This is the lake that we were on. Well, the stream actually right off the lake. Here it is, the headwaters of Johnson Falls. Got all sorts of water plants growing in here, filtering this water, sending it down into the earth and downstream. And I'm going in. Getting a little more rapidsy here. Deeper, shallow, wide, short, narrow, deep. Gotta make sure we don't get too close to any big falls. We don't get sucked in. So you can really feel the current here. We're walking through it. Ah, yeah. Hey kids, you should probably wear shoes if you don't have rock hard feet like I do. love it when this happens. There's a huge cavernous thing going on here. Oh, that's so cool.
How deep do you think that pool is?
Not deep enough to jump.
Dang it. How about that other one?
It might be, but I wouldn't try it. I'm so glad we came up here.
She's a little tippy.
Wow, just look at that. Storm clouds are brewing. Trying to. What kind of flat rocks are these? I don't know. There's some form of granite. They're just probably not as compressed as the ones in
Right, but why are they flat?
the glaciers carved them that way. I don't know.
Really cool.
We'll have to find out.
Doesn't seem natural.
The early pioneers brought them in from Zimbabwe.
Wouldn't that be nice?
I want to know how they did it. Oh, what's this? Uh-oh. Here comes Alex. Hey, that must be part of my crew right there.
My feet are wet.
My feet are wet!
And there's a snake in my boot.
There's a frog down here. I saw him move. What? Yeah?
Yeah?
I don't care.
No, you said, are you going to?
Oh, gross! I got a bloodsucker! Bloodsuckers and leeches are a little different than bloodsuckers. Bloodsuckers love people and anything with blood in it, and they will latch onto people quickly. Leeches don't do that quite so fast. Leeches are more brown, and they get about that long when they're 2 years old, just before they have their babies. And right now that bloodsucker I pulled off was about that big, and they get really long and they're super slimy. The bloodsuckers get nasty. They're more of a black with white spots on them. They just pull off and he might bleed for a little bit, but it's not the end of the world. They used to put him on George Washington. They thought it would fix him and it actually killed him. But anyway, a little bit of history for you. There's some little baby minnows. Ooh, they see me. They're freaking out. Oh, there's a frog over there too. Sure wish I could see him before they move. The view I could wake up to. This is awesome. I can't wait to find the next waterfall. We're on our way to the Little Caribou. Oh, yeah. Gotta admit, started out this trip pretty stressed out. This part was worth it. Hope to see some more stuff tomorrow. Today is, what is today? Today is Monday. We're out of here tomorrow. So we just got done seeing Johnson Falls. Now I gotta carry this heavy canoe, 70 something pounds, over this hill and over a stream that we're gonna see in a minute. Hey, listen, that's always fun to see. Ah, yes, totally worth it. Nice wide open campsite. We'll get some nice breeze to keep the mosquitoes down. Check out the view. Where'd it go? It left.
This is such a gorgeous site to finish the week on.
Yeah. Especially compared to our last few. Two. Yeah.
Two's a few.
Good morning, everybody. It's a free country, but this is garbage. Please pick up after yourself. Okay, just set it over there. All right, here we are leaving on day 4. It's Tuesday. This is quite the mountain goat entrance to this campsite. I think this is Little Canoe. Can't remember. Little Caribou is what I meant. Some trails down that way. I think there's a boat landing down there, but we chose not to use it for some reason. Nice big site. Go around. Got to get the catadine up here. Goes in that bag. Oh, he zipped it up on me. The catadine goes in there. Oh, okay.
Do you want to save the water in here?
How much is there?
Well, at this point I have.
No, just dump it. Had a tent here, tent there, bathroom up there. Not a bad site. What do you think, Alex? How'd you like your camping trip so far?
Pretty good.
Awesome. Man of many words. We're out. Here we are in the middle of the lake, and the whitecaps just settled down, so that's good. On the other side of that hill is the Palisades down into Clearwater. It's a beautiful sight to behold. I think if I wanted to explore the top of the Palisades, I'd take that campsite right there. Yep. Hey everybody, thanks for letting us work for you and serve you, giving us the opportunity to come out here and enjoy all of this. Alright. Hey guys, just got done with the Boundary Waters trip. We're just packing out the last portage. Superior National Forest, BWCAW. It's an awesome place to be. I recommend packing light. We carried it all over this last 210 rod portage, which is about 3/4 of a mile. We still got guys coming, but there's 75, 50 pounds per person. Another canoe, that one up there has some patches on it, so it's probably a solid 80 pounds. But I get to be in nature, no cell phone service, no nothing. It's awesome. Come up and enjoy.
Did they take a radio? Doesn't matter. We only got one spot to go. Just send it. Just jump. You're on video. You have to jump now.
Oh, that hurts so bad.
All right, so here we are. Clear water. There's the Palisades. Got our canoes back, we got the truck back, and we are ready to go home and come home and see how we can use what we saw. Hi, thanks for watching this video from Minnesota Waterscapes. Make sure you like and subscribe that video and give us a ring, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time.